Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft free account. So this is the page that you come to first. When you use the link below this video, it will bring you to this page. Then you click on try 1 month for free. That will bring you to this page. So for this, you don't have an existing account before. So you have to, here you can just enter a Gmail or a Hotmail or a Yahoo Mail. So I'll just go with my Gmail. I'll go with my Gmail here. Then I'll click on next. Okay, you can see this button here, set up account. So click on set up account. Then your first name, that's my name, my last name, my surname, then my business phone number, very important, very important. This is very, very important. So that is where Microsoft is going to send a code to for this. So my company name is Master Tutors. So my company size, let me say 2 to 4. Then my region is Nigeria. N. So Nigeria. So I click on next. So you can see, so text me security code. So I click on send verification code. Just hold on to my phone. Let the code come in. Once the code come in, I'm going to enter it. Once the code comes in, okay, the code is here. So I'm entering the code now. So this is sent to my mobile phone. 464. Okay, I'll verify. So this is my business now. So I'll put my business name. Let me say Master Tutor. Master Tutor. So I'll check availability. So it's available. Master Tutor is available. So this is the email that it will take. This is like the domain or something that it will take. mastertutors.onmicrosoft.com. So that is the domain. You click on next. So which email do I want to create, like an admin email? So I'll just call this like contact@mastertutors.onmicrosoft.com. So this, my password, I just create a password. So I confirm the password. Confirm the password. Then on confirming the password, I click on sign up. So that creates this free account for me that I can use to log in into Power BI service. So just wait for it to create. When it creates, in the next lesson, I will show you how you can use this account to log in into Power BI service. So this is blocking something. Allow. So after this, we'll just log in into, so that's done. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to log in into Power BI service. So either as a first-time user, that is as a first-time user, if you already have an existing account, like the one we just created now, this will be like an existing account. If you are working in an organization that you have an existing account, you don't need to go through this process. You just start from the next video and just next lesson, and you just log in into Power BI for the first time. See you in the next lesson.